Imagine a cosmic smash-up, a crash of giant galaxies, trillions of stars swirling, our very own Milky Way, and its huge neighbor Andromeda. For years we thought they would collide, a spectacular destiny far away. But the universe loves to surprise us. Our Milky Way is our home. A vast, spinning city of stars. It is beautiful and complex. Then there is Andromeda, M31. It is even bigger than us, a true giant in the cosmos. These two galaxies are not still. They are moving through endless space. The idea of them crashing is huge, both scary and amazing to think about. Picture the night sky changing, Andromeda growing larger and larger. The pull of gravity would be immense, strong enough to tear galaxies apart. This was not just a wild guess, it was a serious scientific prediction. Why did scientists think this? They used powerful telescopes. They saw something called blue shift. This means Andromeda's light is squeezed. It showed Andromeda was racing towards us. The calculations pointed to a direct hit, or a very, very big collision. A dramatic future was foretold for us. So what would this crash look like? It is not like two cars hitting hard. Galaxies are mostly empty space, you see, so stars themselves would rarely crash. But the force of gravity is powerful. It would pull and stretch everything, like two giant clouds of smoke merging. The galaxies would be changed forever. After the first chaotic encounter, the two galaxies would slowly mix. All their stars, gas, and dust. Gravity would pull it all back. Over many millions of years, a new, even bigger galaxy would form. Scientists even named it Milkomeda. It would be a different shape, too. What about our little planet, Earth, and our precious solar system? Would we be destroyed in the chaos? Probably not by a direct star hit. Space is big, stars are far apart, but our solar system could be tossed into a new, strange orbit far away. The night sky would be totally new. This cosmic event was not for tomorrow. Thank goodness for that small mercy. The original estimate said it would start in about 4 billion years from now. That is a very, very long time, about as long as Earth has existed. So, it was a future wonder, a grand show for distant descendants. But science is always learning more. New discoveries can change old ideas. This is happening with Milky Way and Andromeda. Amazing new telescopes are helping us, like the European Space Agency's Gaia. Gaia maps billions of stars precisely. It measures how they move so well. It sees Andromeda's sideways motion. This sideways movement is very important. Andromeda is not just coming straight on. It is also moving to the side. Perhaps much more than we knew before. Think of throwing a ball to a friend. If you throw it straight, they catch it. But if it curves, it might fly by. Andromeda might just give us a wave. What does a near miss for galaxies mean? It could be a glancing blow instead. The outer parts might brush each other, but the centers, the cores, don't smash, or they might just pass closely. Their gravity would still pull and tug, creating streams of stars and gas. But not a total messy merger yet. This new idea shows a gentler path, a more drawn-out cosmic interaction, maybe less violent than a big crash. The galaxies might still merge one day, but it could take much, much longer. It could be a series of flybys, a graceful cosmic dance for a while, a different kind of galactic story. So Andromeda might not crash directly. Why is this change such a big deal? Well, it paints a different future, a slightly less chaotic one for our galaxy. A glancing blow is softer, you see. The main shape of the Milky Way might stay intact for much longer. Our cosmic home could remain familiar. What does this mean for Earth and life? Our solar system might be safer. Less chance of being thrown out into the cold, dark emptiness of space or into a very dangerous region. The night sky would still be amazing. Andromeda would be a huge, bright sight, but the changes might be less severe. This evolving story is science in action. It shows how we learn and grow. We observe the universe around us. We make our best scientific guesses. Then, with new tools and fresh data, we update our understanding. We refine. Astronomers will keep watching Andromeda. The cosmic mystery continues to unfold. The universe is a place of endless wonder. It is vast, and it is full of secrets. Whether our galaxy crashes or dances, studying it teaches us so much about how galaxies are born and change, about the laws that run the cosmos. It keeps us curious, always asking. So, always remember to look up.